beating off the souls that are lost and crying. Nails of redemption, only evil remain. Watch out, brother, for that long black train. You can look to the heavens, you can look to the sky. You can find redemption staring back in your eye. There is protection, there's no peace the same. Burning your ticket for that long black train. 'Cause there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Cling to the Father and His holy name, and don't go a-riding on that long black train. There's an engineer on that long black train, making you wonder if the ride is worth the pain. He's just a-waiting on your heart to stay. Let me ride on that long black train. 'Cause there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Cling to the Father and His holy name, and don't go a-riding on that long black train. The devil is riding